Money in the house with the one and only BYND in the house, a.k.a. The Rainmaker, baby. And it's another episode of the groundbreaking, earth-shattering, rocket ship launching show taking over the entire universe. The one, the only Power Play, where we share our custom scanners, high quality scanners that can't be beat from our private Banger Nation Discord with y'all. If this is the market mover scanners that we're going to be using to get ourselves ready for Power Hour at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time through 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to take a look at the stocks. We're going to research the stocks in our custom Discord community because we got a massive library for researching the stocks so we understand what the catalysts are. Yes indeed. And then we're going to go over here on this chart, take a look at the various indicators, do a little technical analysis, or TNA among friends as we like to call it, and then let them simmer on high heat while we get a victory royale for the Banger Nation community. Right over here with this young lady right here, the money lady. We call her money. Let's get right into it. Let's get into ticker symbol SDOT. SDOT had news that they had massive earnings, and it catapulted them all the way up. It went up quite a bit, right, Doubles? It went up well over 100%. But then after that, it sold off, Doubles. It sold off, you know what I mean? So what we want to do here is we want to basically create a Fibonacci retracement to take a look at some key levels of support and resistance to see whether or not SDOT has some more gasolina in the tank to run during the Power Hour. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. And what we're seeing here is it's trending downward below the volume weighted average. The volume weighted average is $15.56. It needs to break above $15.56. Can it break above the $15.56? That's the question. RSI right now is pushing downward, but that's not unusual. No, not unusual at all, because, ladies and gentlemen, we still got a whopping 1 hour and 30 minutes before the Power Hour when volume comes in. So we're going to keep a close eye over here to see if the volume candles start to pick up some momentum as we get closer to the crucial time of the Power Hour. Let's get a share party going on. Let's get to the first 100 folks in the stream. Let's share it up. Let's get some folks in the stream. Let's do it, baby. Let's do it, Doubles. What do you think? Yeah. What do you say? What do you think? Meanwhile, I'm going to invite Hover and see if he wants to do some gameplay in the background, right? While we go over the stonks, you know what I mean? Let me invite him. I'm gonna have some coffee in the interim. Hover was absolutely pivotal in a lot of victory royales yesterday. Yes, indeed. There goes Hover. There he goes. Hover, can you hear me, buddy? Hello, Hover. Hover. I don't know. I can't hear him. All right, Hover. I'm gonna sit out. What? Because I'm talking stocks. I'm gonna have your gameplay in the background, okay? And then when I'm done with talking with the stocks, I'm gonna join you with the game, okay, buddy? Hopefully you can hear me. But I'm gonna sit this one out for now. Let me go ahead and do that. How did I do that again? Over here, right here, right? And I'm gonna say sit out, right? And I'm going to mute myself so he doesn't have to listen to me talk about the stocks while he's taking names and beating everybody up on the Fortnite field per chance. You know what I mean? All right, there we go. All right. Okay, okie dokie. All right, let me just wish him good luck. All right, Hover, good luck with your solo match. I'm going to be watching you, and I'll be jumping in pretty soon. Okay, buddy? Hopefully you could hear me. All right, there we go. All right, so we'll be able to get some really decent gameplay with our boy Hover, and let's go to the next ticker. Let's go to ticker symbol HOWL, Ella, baby, HOWL, Ella. All right, so this is like a multi-day run at Doubles. We saw this stock yesterday in the private Discord. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We also posted about it on the social media because why not? Why not, right? Why not? And we saw it in the 60s, bro. right? Actually, we saw it even before that. We saw it way, way, way down before it started breaking out at 43%. But we started considering getting into it at around 68%, and of course it hit a high of $1.19. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. Doubles, let's get it activated. 119 is the high of day. The 119 is the high of day. This is a multi-day runner, and it had news, merger news. That's what the catalyst was. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated. I should still sit out, right? I want to watch him, though. I wanted to watch the gameplay. It's not letting me do it, bruh. It's not letting me watch the gameplay, bruh. No, it's not letting me do it, bruh. I don't know. I don't know.
Oh, you gotta sit out.
I was sitting out, bruh. I was, bruh. I was sitting out, and it just says sitting out. It doesn't let me see it. Left click? Right click. Right click? Oh, I gotta go to the name, right? Yeah. But it's not letting me see it. Nah. Oh man, that's stinky, bro. I wanted to show the gameplay. All right. Bobo Beeps on YouTube said, "Howdy, Lima Charlie. Roger that, Bobo money." Hope you made some Bobo money today. Hope you made a lot of Bobo money. I know you made a little bit of Bobo money. Hopefully you made a lot of Bobo money. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm saying. So anyway, let's get the Fibonacci retracement done for this ticker as well. HOWL. This stock has been running for the past 2 days. And you know what I like to say, doubles. The early bird gets the cashola, right? Because we was on our radar very early in the day, and it is a catalyst type of situation where it is moving based on the fact that it is going to be selling off a part of its business, Now, the one issue that I had was that it's a 40 million float stock. We're looking at the custom scanners, and we can see that it's a 40 million float stock, but the rotation is still there. It had 254 million shares today, and this is a continuation play since yesterday, so it's continued to move since yesterday, and the rotation is still there. However, right now, while we're waiting for power hour, we see consolidation in the relative strength index, the RSI, and what we're going to be paying close attention to is which direction does the RSI go? Does the RSI go upward towards the overbought area, or does it go downward towards the oversold area? If it goes upward, that is a bullish signal, and we would expect to see volume candles push up as well, right? And we would see a challenge of the volume weighted average at 92 cents. We want to see a break of that 92 cents and then a challenge of the Fibonacci at around the psychological level of $1. So that's what we're hoping for. Let's get that share party going on. I tell you.
Yay.
Oh yeah, doubles. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Let's get it shared up. Make sure you're following us on the YouTube at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney, and you want to make sure that you have your notifications on and you share, subscribe, and comment. It helps the stream grow and allows us to put out more content, and you want the notifications on because we have a lot of shows that we put out for you. In fact, tomorrow at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Saturday, we will have the weekend edition of Power Play. Where we will be getting our Monday morning watch list ready. Okay? So go ahead and follow us there. And as well, I invite you all to jump into the free Discord that we have created. There is a ton of content. We do live streams in there. We provide stock analysis of stocks that have run, and we also provide free alerts of stocks that we're watching. So you can get all that through the free Discord. It gives you a sample, a taste, a slither of what is available in the VIP. The VIP is off the charts. There's a link for that as well. You get the scanners, the news features, the research features, the ability to access the chat in the VIP area, which has a phenomenal community and a lot of other perks as well. And of course, you also get a one-on-one session with myself. So go ahead and take advantage of that. If that works for you better, it is a $9.99 4-day access pass that gives you full access. So you can go and check it out. I tell you. Yes, sir. Vic by God. Yo, what's up, Vic? He says, hey, USDE, why it can't pop? It keeps teasing. Well, let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at USDE. Let's see what's going on with that ticker. Let's see. USDE. I think the tickers are not correct, bro. It's USDE. You mean USDE? I think that's what you're talking about, right? USDE. Yep, there you go. Yeah. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so this company, here's what the news is, okay? It's a crypto-linked company, and it's trading higher amid the continued Bitcoin price momentum after Trump recently urged Congress to pass the Clarity Act and said that CFTC is working to bring hyperliquid to U.S. investors may be seeing a renewed appetite for high-risk assets after the Treasury Department expanded its debt repurchase program. So that's the catalyst. So it's not a direct catalyst of this particular stock. Okay, it's not a direct catalyst, but it was enough of a industry-wide catalyst that pushed the stock up 87%. So it is on an uptrend. I don't particularly like trading stocks that are moving because of an industry-wide catalyst rather than a specific catalyst, because they tend to be very choppy. Okay, so that's one of the issues. Now, one of the things that I'm noticing right off the bat is that the 9 EMA and the price action are significantly higher than the VWAP, and that is concerning because a pullback could potentially happen as the 9 EMA and the price keeps pulling away from the overall volume weighted average. The volume weighted average acts as a even keel, if you will, and if it's not pushing to the upside, that suggests that it doesn't have enough momentum to push it along. Now, it had 65 million shares of stocks, shares of volume, but you could see that happened over here and happened over here. But right now, while we're waiting for power hour, we have a lack of that volume. We see that the RSI is also mid-drift. Again, that's an indifferent type of a pattern that I'm seeing. What we're going to be looking for is the volume candles to go up, and also we want to see the RSI start to push up as well. So a pullback probably could happen, not definite, but probably can happen. The main issue is going to be, will it hold above the graffiti pencil line of the volume weighted average, which is currently $6.35. We want it to stay above that $6.35. That suggests that there's plenty of volume, and otherwise, that's it. All right, so I'm going to jump into the game with Hover. Looks like he's back. Let me go ahead and let him know that I'm back here. Hover, I'm jumping in. I hope you got your mic on, Hover. You got your mic on. All right, Hover, let's go. All right, we're going to go ahead and get a victory royale for the Banger Nation. And if you were watching Fortnite after the bell yesterday, our boy Hover was integral in getting a lot of victory royales for the Banger Nation. And he was shouting out the Banger Nation because he is part of Banger Nation, and he has nothing but love for the Banger Nation. How you been, Hover?
I'm doing good. How about you, Coach?
Oh, doing really, really good, bro. It's almost the weekend. The market had some nice movers, bro. Like, SDOT moved really well. HOWL moved since yesterday. So, yeah, a lot of good stuff, bro. A lot of good stuff. You ready to do this, bro?
Yes, sir.
All right. We got 65 folks watching right now, and I'm expecting a lot more coming in as we get that victory royale, bro. All right, I'm going to concentrate because Hover's lobbies, man, Hover is really, really good. So his lobbies are, how should I put it, kind of intense. Paradigm on Twitch, and Paradigm, yes, sir, yes, Paradigm was beating up people yesterday. She's watching. Let's go, baby. I want to dedicate this to Banger Nation and specifically to Paradigm. Where we going, Hover? Where we going, brother? Let's go. Hot and heavy, that's what I'm talking about. Let's go. All right, time to get that victory royale. We got the money from the stock market, and now, Hover, we're going to kick some Djibouti.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. I'm going to get some coffee, brother. Getting a little tired. You got any plans this weekend, Hover?
No, I'm going to watch UFC, relax.
Nice.
And that's it.
Paradigm on Twitch said, respect on the build side, you guys. Phew. I'm behind the skills you all got. Nah, Paradigm, you still got it going on, girl. I saw what you were doing. I saw you, Paradigm. You got company over there, brother. Oh, you had company over there.
Yep, no longer with us.
Poor fella. Poor fella. I mean, don't you also almost feel bad for them, kind of, sort of, in a weird way?
Yeah.
Not really. The stocks were good today. We had a nice runner today. A stock called SDOT. It ran because it posted over 8,000% earning, which is absolutely absurd. And it went up pretty high, I tell you. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It did. So yeah, the market's pretty good for a Friday. The market generally slows down on Fridays. Hubby, you're okay? I hear explosions
Yes,
over there.
sir.
You're good, right? Okay, good. I'm just checking. Oh, okay. You don't want the the drum gun, right?
No, sir.
Yeah, I don't like it either, but I'm gonna carry it for now. All right. Getting used to the meta a little bit, you know.
Let me carry this new shotgun.
Yeah. Oh, look, we got stuff here. Let's get some stuff here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I messed it up. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Ooh, howdy. Ho. Pistol. I'd rather have the pistol, bro.
Oh, you don't like the Mega Man gun?
Nah, I don't like the drum gun, bro. I'll be honest with you.
It's not a drum gun, it's a Mega Man gun.
Mega Man gun? It's a drum gun.
Buster.
I don't know. It's not my thing.
Charge it up and then blast somebody in the head.
Oh, you mean the tube? No, but I'm talking about this thing right here. No, I don't like that thing right there.
You
No.
don't like the tube?
I'm a purist, bro. Doubles, I'm a purist. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, bro. You're interrupting my zen, bro. Leave me alone.
Paradigm bully, man.
He's bullying
Grab your
me.
shield.
Vic by God said it thought if the price is staying above the EMAs and VWAP with RSI and MACD confirmed, it's going to pop. Well, you know what? It's really about the volume, man, and it depends on what's happening with other stocks as well. So there's like a bunch of different things. But I like to see volume confirm things for me. That's what I like. That's what I like. Volume, I tell you. Volume. Oh my, what was that? What was that?
That car blow up.
Holy Toledo. There's a half pot over here if you want it. And there's
Okay.
minis here as well.
That's it.
Very quiet. I would have thought there would be more people here, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know, this is like the calm before the storm, you know?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Have a Sonic.
Yep. Doubles, HOWL moving 110%. 2-day continuation play. Yes, sir. I think I got this guy already. Do I got this guy already? I don't know.
It shows that like a thing above their head if you don't have it.
No, I don't have him. So it's alright. It's alright. I'll take. I mean, I do have him, but I'll take it for the dust. You know? Why not? What the heck,
Yeah,
right?
it make you faster too. It make you faster. It's actually good, but
I'll take it, right? Why not? Still don't see nobody, bro. Woo! I gotta tell you, I don't know if this anti-gravity thing is because of the because of that particular sprite, but I'm jumping like a Dickens, you know? Yeah, it's pretty doggone good, right?
Yes, sir. Yo, what's up, Paul? Hope your day's going well.
There's a Sonic sprite over here, bro. You want it?
I'm gonna keep my drones in. But
Okay. Just gotta go fast, sprint fast. Whoa! What happened?
Where are they?
I'm not sure.
That's your
But they
report,
lit
coach.
me up, brother.
That's your minis. That's your med kit. How you been, Pool?
Woof! Holy Toledo, bro. That was rude. That was rude.
So cool.
Right, bro?
That's all I'm saying, coach.
I'm
And he
alive.
didn't even show himself.
I'm still alive, brother. I'm still alive. Rotten, rotten scoundrels, I tell you. You know what? I'm gonna take this because I heard this gives health.
Yo, Pool, do you have school today or like, you got this for right now?
Alright, let's get out of this storm.
Yeah, I got you, Pool, whatever's ready to go find me, coach.
We got people to the left, bro.
Yeah, one that was
They're coming out. I see them. I'm behind them.
Someone shot.
I hit him 30 blue.
16? On this.
Oh! Ran right into him, bro. I didn't even see him, dude. Wow, I didn't even see him, bro. Did you see that? Wow! Wow!
That's why you should have took the Mega Man gun.
Man, bro.
Piss.
Nah, bro. Nah. Hold on, we got a message over here from Ben on X. He said, do you think USDE can break above $8? Well, let's do a Fibonacci retracement on it and see what the key levels of resistance are. Let's take a quick look. Let me clear this out real quick, and we'll see. I mean, it's all going to depend on what the volume is, right? That's going to be critical, right? So first things first, Fibonacci retracement, we go from the bottom to the top. Boom. Okay, and you could see that a critical resistance area slash support area is right where the price action is right now, and it is. You can see it is actually basically consolidating at the $7.25 mark type of, give or take. The next resistance level is $8, and what we can notice from that is that it was rejected the last time. So the key is really going to be whether or not it gets volume, right, and whether or not it gets the attention from the trading community, or if the attention is going to be somewhere else. Now, it is the third leading gainer, and it did get a lot of volume. So hopefully, if these volume signals pop up, they will in fact give us, they'll give us the ability to have enough volume to surge the price above the 725 and push towards $8. But my concern, as I said before, is that the stock is currently priced at a level which is significantly higher than where the VWAP is. And the further that this price action moves away from the VWAP, the more pressure there'll be for the price to come back down. So what I'm going to be really closely looking at is what direction is the relative strength index going to be going. If the relative strength index starts to break down and pull downward, that's very bearish, okay? And I would presume that a lack of volume would continue to exist. If the RSI starts to push upward, and it does it with authority, and these volume candles start moving up, then I would say that we probably have a situation where this could be potentially a challenge to the $8 mark. But a lot of it is going to depend on where the attention is going, and it's vying for attention specifically with HOWL. Right? HOWL had the news that they sold off their company, which was yesterday. They sold off part of their company, and it moved quite significantly. You could see that it was way down here at around 42 cents, and it went to $1.19, and now has retraced down below the $1 mark. And again, since the NASDAQ stock, it has a pressure on it to get itself above $1 to be in compliance with the NASDAQ. Right? So we have to see what happens, which stocks are getting attention. It's also Friday afternoon, right? So because it's Friday afternoon, a lot of people
No, I don't have this for yet.
a lot of people are already taking off, right? They're already taking off, so we got to see what exactly happens. So keep a close eye on it. Volume is going to be critical for both HOWL and for USDE, right? And the other issue is this stock.
Oh, Coach, by the way, we need to up again.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Let's do that.
I changed the game up.
Okay, let's do it, brother. You got it. All right, there we go. And the other issue with USDE is, again, it also is moving on industry news rather than news that's relevant to it specifically. So that's the other issue. So you have one stock that's been running for 2 days on actual news, and it's on a continuation, so it could potentially pull down. That's HOWL. And then you have USDE, which is generally moving also on a continuation, but much more aggressively today, which is based on general industry catalysts. So we'll see what stock gets the most attention. How's that sound, Doubles?
Yeah.
How does that sound, Doubles?
Yeah.
All right, let's get that dub for the.
Is that right, Coach? You're a bigger streamer in X?
Yeah, I got a
Really?
lot of folks on X. We got about 17,000 followers on X. Yeah, we're working on 20,000. That's the game plan on X, and we want YouTube and Twitch to get bigger too, man. I wanna get bigger on Twitch like you, bro. You got a lot of folks on Twitch, right? 350?
331. Just got a new follower now.
That's awesome, bro. That's awesome. And guys, give my boy a follow if you're into Fortnite. Give hover_CR7 a follow on Twitch because his gameplay is redonkadonkalous, bro. He is such a good Fortnite player and a real cool dude. So show some support if you're into Fortnite. Even if you're not into Fortnite, it don't cost nothing to follow somebody on Twitch. Just go to twitch.tv and give him a follow. And while you're at it, give the coach a follow on Twitch TV as well, at CoachNickMoney. Why not?
Money.
Why not, Doubles, right? Why not? Yeah, don't cost nothing. Yes, sir. Vic by God on YouTube said, so the VWAP is like a magnet. Well, I don't know if I would call it a magnet per se. What I'm trying to basically say is, well, I mean, magnet's probably not the right term. Not per se a magnet, but it's kind of like a center keel. So the further away the price action moves away from the VWAP, the more likelihood that it's going to retrace. Same thing with when the price action goes below the VWAP. The further the price action goes below the VWAP, the more likely that it's going to slow down and at some point start to turn back up. But when it comes to being above the VWAP and having a relatively not a super strong catalyst, okay, it becomes more of an issue. So you can call it a center keel. I think that's probably a better way of looking at it. Where are we going, boys? Because we got to get a victory for the community, for the victory royale for the Banger Nation.
Coach, it's gonna be my last game because I'm going out to eat.
Yeah, it's my last game too because I got to go back to the stocks.
Yes, sir.
So let's get that dub, brother. Let's get it. Let's get the dub. Dubification, bro. Where you going to eat, bro?
It's a big restaurant nearby my house.
What kind of food?
It's a Portuguese restaurant.
Oh man, I've had Portuguese food. It's so good, bro. I had something that I'm not sure if it's called paella, but it's like Spanish paella, but it was Portuguese style.
Oh yeah.
What is it called, bro? What is it called in Portuguese? Is it called paella or something else?
I think it's the same thing.
Oh, I'm getting shot at already, bro. I'm getting shot at already! You fool, you! Man, what the heck? Oh, they double teamed me, boys. They double teamed me. Wow, bro. That was vicious. Look at that.
Holy crap, I got a shot on my first chest.
Bro, there's two of them and they're together, bro. Be careful. But punish them for eliminating you. Did you see that, bro? Huh?
I saw him shooting at you. There was.
Let him concentrate on the game right now. Don't talk about food, bro. You making me hungry, brother. Be quiet, will you? Nah, he's got to eliminate these guys. They hurt the coach, bro. Come on. Make them pay, bro. Make them pay. There you go, bro. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. These turkey rolls need to pay. Come on, boys. You got this. What a nice shotgun, bro. Holy, look at the shotgun he's got. Go for gold. Bye, fool. Look at you. Look at you now, bro. Look at you, bro. My boy's taking care of business, bro. Huh.
Yo, I saw two people going to that building. They know.
Good job, guys.
What is here, bro?
Chaotic, bro. Bobo's giving him the evil eye, bro. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. Retreat. Retreat. Ooh, nice shot, bro. Nice, bro. Let's go, bro. They mess with me. They gotta mess with my big brother Hubba. Come on, big brother. Let's go. Bobo gave him the evil eye, bro. Woo! Woo! What happened? You don't want to play? You don't want to play? What happened, bro? What happened, bro? Oh, ooh, nice, bro. What happened, bro? What happened? What happened? Did you see what Hover did to them, bro? Oh my goodness. I almost felt bad for them for like no seconds at all. Hover, what an awesome job, bro. I love it. I don't like what he just did. I love what he just did. Thank you, Hover. Woo, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's get it. All right, we're back in business. Did you see that, though? Hubber abused them, bro. Look at it. Look at him. They're still at him, bro. Look at that. He should have eliminated the last one. That little creature pursued him, bro. He's got it, though. He's gonna take care of business right now, bro. Let's get it. All right, here we go. He put the belt to Djibouti. The belt to the Djibouti. Doubles HOWL trying to move up. 115 percent. Let's get a share party. Oh my goodness, bro. They're on my board right now, bro. They're on my board, bro. I'm gonna run, guys. I'm gonna try to like. I got no mobility though, bro. I'm gonna try to get you guys up. I have no gold. I have no nothing. Oh, you self-reviving, bro?
Yeah, pull. Go to the other people. The other people's drivable.
Is it? Where is
Whenever
it?
you're back. Go.
Wait. I'm gonna go. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go over here to this A-frame, bro. Let them chase him.
Pull. Try to go back and go use the other car. I have the other car, the faster car back there. But you try to bring him close.
I'm gonna try to. You didn't get the card, right? You didn't get the card. Oh shoot. Okay.
Yeah,
all right. I'm gonna try to get the gold.
No. Damn. Bull was trying to poke me up with his right, and I just sold him.
Let me try to get the gold, guys. Let me try to get gold.
You made us break it stuck in it. Not that pull.
Alright, I'm just... man, these guys are on me, bro. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna get away from these guys. I'm gonna try to get your cards. That's gonna be the easiest way. No, maybe not. one card. Did I get it? I got 2. Let me get out of here, bro. There we go. Gotta get away, gotta get away. Gotta get away, gotta get away.
That Sonic spin dash, though.
That spin thing is incredible, dude. My goodness, bro.
I've used that since they were writing hieroglyphics on the wall.
Yo, why is it not letting me do my thing? Come on, do my thing. There we go. Alright, alright. Gotta get my boys back. Gotta get them back, I tell you. They can't be eliminating my boys. Nah, man. Can't have none of that, bruh. Tag team back again, boys.
Oh, the fishing spot.
Alright. Down. Up. To the left. Down. Give me that thing. Give me it. Give it to me. Give it to me. There we go. Got minis over here if anybody wants. I got an A mini.
Yeah. No, let's do it this stuff.
Oh, we got company, bro.
That's what it is? Nice.
We got more, 2 more right here, bro. Knock 1, bro. Kill 2.
Nice.
Let's go, baby. Let's go. What? Like that, bro. Man, they got no shotguns in this game, bro.
Mr. Purist, how do you like the game?
What are you talking about, bro?
Yeah, Mr. Purist, you use the spin dash there, huh?
No, I said I was gonna use it, bro.
Uh-huh.
I did. I said I was
I don't
gonna
know
use
if
it.
you're a purist.
I am a purist, bro. It's part of the game. It's part of the game. And Bobo Beep gave the enemy the evil eye, and I know that was the power source right there, bro. That was the power source right there. Yes, sir. Gave the eye, bro.
Yeah. The freaking eye.
I'm telling you, bro. You gotta do it. Sometimes you just gotta do it, bro. I'm just saying, you got stuff.
I feel that.
Yes, sir. You gotta do it. Yeah. All right. We are back and better than ever, folks. I have 3 med kits on me, just as a heads up. Cover.
Absolutely.
Do you need ammo?
No, thank you.
Okay. All right, let's go and get some of these turkey rolls. You know what I mean?
Let's
get
go
some-
over. Let's go over here.
Yeah, let's get these turkey rolls. I said. Make sure you're joining the free Discord, ladies and gentlemen. We got a ton of alerts, live streams, and so much more. Go ahead and click the link in the description and in the pinned comment and take advantage of an amazing community. Make sure that when you come in, you follow the instructions to get the free roll added to yourself so that you can get the full access to the live streams and everything else that we got. Go ahead.
Thank Hubbard for the raid.
Oh, Hubbard, thank you so much for the raid, bro. Hubbard raided us on Twitch. Let's go, bro. Thank you very much for the raid, brother.
30?
Oh no!
Wow.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my goodness, bro! Oh, they're on the roof, bro. They're on the roof. On the they're on. Ah, dude, boo! All right, our boy's still alive, though. Our boy's still alive. He's still alive. He's still alive. Don't pay attention to me.
He's alive and well.
Just a bush. Just a bush. Don't pay attention to me. I'm just a bush. Oh my goodness. Man, bro. These lobbies are, how should I put it, particular, bro, you know?
Today is Friday.
It is sweaty Friday, bro. Doubles USDE is still trying to break the 720 720 Fibonacci level. The 720 Fibonacci level. Will it break it? Will it get the volume? Crypto play, crypto play.
Oh, last team. Wait, it should be 1v1.
All right, get us back in and we're good, bro. Oh, he's got us, bro. He's so got us, bro. He's so got us, bro. Man, those feet, bro. They're no joke, bro. Come on, we got this. You want this, you want this. Come on, bring us back, bring us back, bring us back. Thank you, thank you. Here we go, bro. Let's get it. All right. Let's go, bro. Oh no, hover.
Just shove this guy. The reboot is drivable. The reboot is drivable. Just drive the reboot. Just drive the reboot. Just drive the reboot. Drive it. Drive it, drive it, drive it, drive it, drive it, drive it, drive it.
Yeah, no, we're good. We're gonna try to get cards. Oh Jesus! Hold it to later! Oh no! All right, Hover. Thank you so much for the game, brother. Oh, you got kicked out of Fortnite? Ah, I knew there was something going on. All right, my brother. Listen, have a wonderful meal with your friends and family. Thank you so much for joining us on the Fortnite game. All right, brother. Maybe if you're on later on, hit me up and I'll definitely join you with the game. All right? And Spare, thank you so much, brother. Have a great game. Have a great game. All right, all right, all right. All right, folks. So that is the Fortnite portion of it. Paradigm on Twitch said GG. Hover on Twitch said, I hope you have a good day with the stocks. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. Thank you. So we're looking at USDE. It's trying to break that 720 mark. It hasn't done it. Let's take a look at what HOWL is doing. Let's take a look at HOWL. Let's take a look at it. And HWL is breaking down underneath the volume weighted average. We really needed to get above that VWAP at 92 cents. Now remember, this is a stock that has a heavy float that's been running for 2 days on news of selling off part of its company. So, you know, it's 2 days of running. That's quite a bit of running for a heavy floated stock. Let's take a look at SDOT real quick. SDOT. SDOT, see if it ever curled back up. Nope, it's still below the VWAP. Really needs to get above the VWAP to be schmexy to me, but we still have about 40, about 47 minutes before power hour, so we still have a lot of time before power hour. Let's take a look at AI. This is another stock that popped up on the scanner, and it too is below the VWAP, so really want to see it break above the VWAP. Graffiti pencil activated, and we want to see it get above $7.32. We see that the RSI is drifting downward. That's not what we want to see happen. We don't want an RSI going down. We want it to go up, and obviously there's no volume here yet. But again, we still have a whopping 46 minutes before the power hour. Make sure that you're also following us on X.com, aka Twitter, at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney. We have a ton of content, and as I said before, we have almost 17,000 followers on X.com. So if you can go ahead and give a follow, let's get to the 20,000 mark. It means a lot. It allows us to put more and more information and content out there for the Banger Nation community, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, bro. Yes, sir. It does. I tell you. Yeah. All right. Also, we are on Twitch. As I said, we're looking to grow Twitch, so go ahead and drop a follow on twitch.tv, and it is at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney. Also, Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at CoachNickMoney. At CoachNickMoney. And then we don't want to leave out the TikTok at DBLNicks. At DBLNICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And of course, if you want to represent the Banger Nation with some really good looking stuff like caps and t-shirts and hoodies, or maybe you want a mug or a cup, as Doubles likes to call it, a cup and handle with the Banger Nation insignias, if you will. Go ahead and check out the merch store. The link is in the description and in the pinned comment for that as well. Why not? Right, Doubles? Why not?
Yes.
Why not, bro? Why not? I'm just saying, bro.
I have a special gift for you.
What happened?
Before you end the show, I got a special gift for you.
Yeah, what kind of gift you got for me, bro?
Click the admin panel.
The admin panel. Okay, I'm clicking it. You got another code for me?
Capital G for gather.
G for gather.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Capital A for and.
And
Capital C for craft.
C, craft.
For craft, yes.
Like that?
Uh-huh.
Oh, you're going to get me something good. Lobby hack not currently available.
Oh, they hate me.
They're not ready yet. The hack is not ready yet, Doubles. It's not ready yet. All right, let me go back to the stocks, Doubles. Let me go back to the stocks, Doubles.
Have fun.
Going back to the stocks, bro. Let's go back to USDE. Let's take a look at what's going on with it. See if it can break that key Fibonacci level. It has, in fact, broken the Fibonacci level at around $7.20. That's a good sign. And the fact that HOWL is pulling downward, it's pulling downward, that makes this potentially a much more attractive type of setup if it can get some volume. The resistance would be at about right around over here, I would say, at around $7.50, which is the key level of psychological resistance, 750, and then of course $8. Bobo Beep said, I might have to wear my CNM merch to the high school football game tonight. Let's go, baby! Let's go, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bobo Beeps representing Banger Nation. And if you do, my brother, send some pictures into the Discord because we love seeing that stuff. It makes us happy. It makes us happy. Let's go. Love Bobo Beep. Man, let's give Bobo some Bobo money, bro. Let's get him some Bobo. Bobo money. Bobo. Let's get a share. Let's get a share party. Let's get over 400. We're 372 folks. I know it's Friday. I know it is. I know it is. But come on now. Let's get it done. Let's get it done, folks. Let's get it done. All right. Quick thing before we wrap up. All right. I'm going to go over a couple more stocks afterwards, but I want to go over something quick with you. If you've been watching. All right, I'm going to get serious for a moment. Obviously, this is a show, and we're here to entertain and educate. Hopefully, educate a lot and keep your attention with the comedy portion of it. That's the game plan behind the show, Banger Nation. All right, that's really what we're trying to do. Okay, but if you've been watching and you're serious about small caps and trading small caps, don't sit on the outside trying to piece it together. We've got a 4-day full access pass for $9.99, and it is full access. You come inside. You see how we actually operate live, how we structure trade ideas, how we map levels, how we think about risk, how we handle momentum. You'll get the next day early watch list. You'll see the 24/7 market news flow, pre-market scanners, regular hours and after hour scanners with the float, volume, and catalyst context built right in for simplicity purposes and to make it quick because speed is important in trading. And you'll see our ticker tape built to catch stocks when they're starting to heat up before they go parabolic. This isn't noise. It's how we create structure for ourselves in a chaotic stock market. And if that's how you want to approach this market, grab the 4-day pass and come see it live. The link's in the description and in the pinned comment. And when you come in, let us know that you saw us on the stream. We love hearing it. We love hearing that. And if you want to speak to some of the Banger Nation members, go ahead and speak to them. They'll tell you what the Banger Nation is all about. All right, we're trying to build a community that's supportive and helps to push all of us forward, right? Because it's a lot easier doing things together, and that's why I always say, people, I want you to achieve your goals, your aspirations, and your dreams, and I want you to be inspirational to others as well, because it helps them out, but it makes you feel better, and it helps you out. And we're watching USDE pushing to the upside, breaking the resistance at $7.50. $7.50. Yes, indeed. It's trying its best to break through, so we're keeping an eye on it. We want to watch it and see if it can move forward. All right, folks, let's go over one more stock. Let's go over ticker symbol CRMU. Let's take a look at CRMU. And we can see that it is an ETF and it is moving up. It's up 42%. Not my wheelhouse, so I'm not going to pay too much attention to it. But let's go back to AIAI. Let's take a look at it, and you can see that it is having difficulty breaking this significant resistance area right over here. This significant resistance area right over here. Yeah, it's basically got significant resistance at 730 and the price action is pulling downward. So we need to see a reversal. We need to see the volume candles start to push in. We need to see a reversal of the RSI, and we need to see the 9 EMA not pushing down like this. As long as it's pushing down like this is quite bearish. So it has to curl. Baby curl is what we're looking for. We're looking for a curl, folks. That's what we're looking for. All right? So anyway, listen. Make a lot of money and have a great weekend. Tomorrow, Power Play, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We set up the watch list for Monday, so come and join us, okay? Make sure that you're also taking advantage of the free Discord. If you're not in the Discord right now, take advantage of the free Discord. It gives you a nice little sample of what the VIP Discord is all about, and you get a lot of helpful content there as well, all right?